Baik, selamat siang, Bapak Ibu sekalian. Pada kesempatan ini saya izin share eh, materi terkait dengan data collection methods masih dalam topik Business Research Methods Chapter 8 from John Wery and Son Ltd. Copyright 2009. Langsung saja, source of data, primary data, information obtained first-hand by the researcher on the variables of interest for the specific purpose of the study. Example, individual focus group panels, secondary data information gathered from source already existing. Example, company records or archives, government publication, industry analysis offered by the media, websites, the internet, and so on. Personal interview, advantage can clarify doubts about questionnaire, can pick up on verbal cues, relatively high response or cooperation, special visual aids and scoring devices can be used. Disadvantage, high cost and time intensive, geographical limitation, response bias or confidentially difficult to be assured. Some respondents are unwilling to talk to stranger trained interviewers. Telephone interview. Advantage, discomfort of face-to-face is avoided. Fasters or number of calls per day could be high, lower cost. Disadvantage, interview length must be limited, low response rate, no facial expression. Self-administered advantage, lower cost option, expanded geographical coverage, requires minimal staff, perceived as more animals. Disadvantage, low response rate in some modes, no interviewer intervention possible for clarification, cannot be too long or complex in complex survey. Principle of questionnaire design. Number one, principle of wording. Consists of content and purpose of question. Wording and language. Type and form of question. Sequencing. Classification data or personal information. Data collection methods, observation, questionnaire, interview. Questionnaire consists of questionnaire administration, testing, goodness of data. Principle of measurement, categorization, coding, scales and scaling, reliability and validity, general get up appearance of questionnaire, length of questionnaire, introduction to respondent, introduction to for completion. Figure 8.2, principle of questionnaire design. Questionnaire design definition. A questionnaire is a pre-formulated written set of questions to which the respondent record his answer. Steps: determine the content of the questionnaire, determine the form of response, determine the wording of the question, determine the question sequence, write cover letter. Questionnaire content. Framework. Need information for all construct in framework. Measurement. Operationalizing. Objective construct. One element or items. One question. Subjective construct. Multiple element items. Multiple question. Response format. Close versus ended question. Close question helps respondent to make quick decision, helps researcher to code. Open-ended question, first, unbiased point of view, final additional insight, complementary to close question for interpretation purpose. CBR measurement response scale. Question wording. Avoid double-barreled question. Avoid ambiguous question and words. Use of ordinary words. Avoid leading or biasing question. Social desirability. Avoid recalcitrant question. Question wording. Use positive and negative statement. Dresdner deliver high-quality banking service. Dresdner has full customer operational support. Avoid double negatives. Limit the length of the question, rule of thumb. Less than 20 words, less than one full line in print. Question sequence. The funnel approach. Easy to difficult and general to specific. Personal and sensitive data at the end. Cover letter. The cover letter is the introductory page of the questionnaire. It includes identification of the researcher, motivation for respondent to fill it confidentially, thanking of the respondent. Structured observation, recording pre-specified behavioral pattern of people, object, and even in a systematic manner, quantitative in nature. Different types, personal observation, exemplary grazia, mystery shopper, pantry audit, electronic observation, SMP grazia, scanner data, people matter, eye tracking. Thank you. Finish for the data collection method, chapter 8. Thank you for your attention. See you the next presentation.